Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you have a great day today. So, we'll be performing the label encoding today. And as you can see, we have the dataset, the CSV file, which is all in strings. Now, we have to convert this categorical form into integers, numbers. So, let's go ahead and do that. As we all know that the machine only understands the numbers and it does not understand strings. So, we have to convert that as well. And we'll be basically performing this with the label encoder from SQL library. So let's first import pandas as PD, okay, just to access the dataset. Now I'm creating a data frame as well, right? And I'm just to read the dataset that I just showed you, all right? And it's basically saved as data.csv. Okay, let's just have a look and check if it's actually running it out. Yeah, okay, cool. It's pick. Okay, so now from sklearn dot preprocessing, I'm going to import the label encoder. Right now, I'm basically going to create objects. As you can see, we had weather, parent, money, decision. So I have to create 4 objects, all right, and with the label encoder. So I'm going to write label encoder underscore weather, and the object is going to be label encoder. Okay, I'm going to do this 4 times. I'm just going to copy paste it, right? I'm going to make the changes below. All right, we had weather. Then let's check it out. We had weather, parent, money, decision. Weather, parent, money, and decision. Alright, now guys, we created the objects. Now basically we're going to create a new column in this. Alright, so we're just going to add weather underscore n, right, and equals to the object that is weather dot. Now we're going to use the method, the fit transform method, fit underscore transform. And in this I'm going to add is the column of weather that we have to access, and it's going to switch from this. Okay, so this is it. Let me just check if it's actually picking it up. Yeah, that's cool. It's picking it up without any problem. So I'm going to basically go ahead and create this 4 times as well. Okay, so I'm just going to change this from weather to parent. EM3. Out here as well is going to change from parent. And this is the column name parent, right, in our CSV file. Money will come out here. Money is out here as well. Right, guys, do double check on the column names as well, just in case, like if you're adding a capital letter and small letters, as well as everything has been saved in capital letters in it starts with the capital letter in my CSV, so I have to be precise over here as well. Alright, and I've just created this. It has been successful. Yes, now I'm going to basically show you this data frame. Right, now I'm showing you the data frame, and as you can see, it has been converted. Alright, like sunny has got 1, windy has got 2, rainy has got 0. Yes is 1, no is 0, money is, rich is 1, and poor is 0. And out here you got cinema with 0, tennis with 3, stay with 2, and shopping with 1. Alright, so right now I'm going to create a new data frame. So I'm going to data frame underscore updated. Alright, and I'm going to take the data set that we had above, and I'm going to drop the columns. Right, so which columns are we going to drop? That's going to be weather, and we're going to drop is parent, and we're going to drop now money, then we're dropping as decision, Right now, this is dropped. Now, what you could do is that you wouldn't have to mention the access. Just make sure you're following your Python syntax as well correctly. Alright, if you're facing difficulties, you can always view the documentation that's provided. Just running this, also, you could run your code to see if everything's working fine as well. Now I'm going to print is the updated dataset, df underscore updated. And what I'm going to do is that since we'll be comparing it as well, I'm just going to give a breakout here or blank print statement, and I'm going to check it out. So yes, as you can see, like above the data frame we had, the strings were now moved away and we only have integer values, and these values can be understood by the computer, by the machine, the computer as well. And you can go ahead and you can do this is basically multiple categorical columns. Alright, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll get back to you as well. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.